Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Canva Pro subscription for Teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate a Canva Pro subscription for Teams, start by navigating to the Canva website. Log into your existing Canva account, or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, locate the Pricing tab in the top navigation menu. Click on this tab to view the available subscription plans. Select the Canva for Teams option to explore its features and benefits. After reviewing the details, click on the Get Started button. You'll be prompted to choose a payment plan that suits your team's needs. Select either the monthly or yearly billing option. After selecting your plan, enter the number of team members who will be using Canva Pro. Fill in the required payment information, including your credit card details. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Start Your Free Trial button, if applicable. You may be asked to invite team members to join your Canva workspace. Enter their email addresses to send invitations, or skip this step if you prefer to do it later. When your payment is processed, your Canva for Teams subscription will be activated. You can now access all the premium features available in Canva Pro. To manage your team, navigate to the Team section in your account settings. Here, you can add or remove team members as needed. Explore the various collaboration tools to enhance your team's design workflow. Start creating stunning designs with your newly activated Canva Pro subscription. Enjoy the benefits of teamwork and enhanced features at your fingertips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.